In today's episode of Things You Should Know About Business and Sales, but is never talked about, nudge and sludge. So, the focus of nudging and sludging is nudging is we're trying to get people to take action, and it's rooted very much in autonomy, where sludge makes it harder, and this tends to be you gatekeeping, girl bossing. Now, I want to talk about human behavior very specifically and habit formation and how we can create these very spicy hot audiences who buy everything. I'm telling you, everything that you put out there, and it's trigger, action, reward, right? We are basic AF as humans. There needs to be a trigger that makes you take action, and there needs to be some type of reward. Now, rewards can be intrinsic, safety, security, loving, belonging, those types of things, or it can be extrinsic, recognition, development, money. Money's a weird one though. I should just do a video about that. But there always should be a reward. And when we're thinking about it, we value autonomy. So if you're trying to get people to nudge and take action, there is also a very important part of the trigger and the problem awareness around it and reinforcing that. Triggers in a motivational cycle or behavior change are typically awareness around the problems that they're having, and the action is solutions. If you're not using some form of problem awareness content with real solutions and rewards, that is the first place we would start in your marketing. Now let's talk about a sludge-free sales process. These are 3 simple things that I think a lot of you could improve from what I've seen here on this app. 1, shorter applications. Your application needs to be 7 questions or less. You are not applying for a car loan. You are applying for a program. And with that, there should be pricing transparency on the application and on the sales page. Just tell people your prices. They all have budgets. And if they say no, it's because they're not investment qualified. And the last piece is well-written sales pages. Well-written sales pages don't focus on the length. It's focusing on the information and rooting in sales psychology to take someone from awareness to conversion. And FAQ is a really important part of this. If you want to know more about how to structure a good FAQ on a sales page or how to use it in your marketing, leave a comment down below. Here's the deal though. This is rooted in behavioral economics and human behavior. And a lot of y'all will be like, it works. It works. And so if you struggle to get people to take action, take clarity on the problem awareness and the solution and the reward that you're giving them, because this is how we build an audience that is in the habit of consuming your content, opting into something, and buying from you.